English Vocabulary Quiz, Confusing Words in English, Part 2. This quiz contains 15 questions that evaluate your understanding of confusing words in English. See how well you can differentiate between words that are often misused in everyday language. Are you ready? Let's get started. I refuse to accept the performance evaluation because there was false information in it. It is easy to give advice, but it's not so easy to take it. The oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico has affected the economy and the environment in negative ways. Before the bell rang, the class was all ready to go home. The dog buried its bone. The car passed the semi on the right. That was a dangerous move. Not everybody shares my principles. I wish I had seen the show last night. I heard it was quite a performance. I wanted to go home more than I wanted to go to the party. It is unusual that they're not having a party next door. The Parrish family could not decide if the weather would stay nice enough to go on the picnic or not. If everybody is ready, let's proceed with the presentation. Upon defeating the evil dragon, the heroes were rewarded with the monster's hoard. Squirrels prepare for winter by burying a cache of nuts. Anyone who's been to Wales knows how beautiful the countryside is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Kindly share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in our upcoming videos.